Assalamu alaikum. I am Ms. Sidra, teacher of Metropolitan Foundation School. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in home. Remember, wherever you go outside the home, wear a mask and gloves. And then you come at home, wash your hands 20 seconds and take a bath daily. Now today we talk about 14 August 1947 for Independence Day. This is a very important day about Pakistan. How we celebrate this day? We celebrate this day. We paste a flag. We sing songs, national songs, and take a badge, wear green and white dresses, and now I give you an important information about Pakistan, like Pakistan national things. What is national things of Pakistan? Like national flower, national fruit, national vegetables, our flag, national anthem, and another information about Pakistan like province of Pakistan, capital of Pakistan, and the main important person, hero of Pakistan. Who is the hero of Pakistan? He play a important role for Pakistan. Okay. Now you know what? Who is the person? He is the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He play a very important role of Pakistan. He is the founder of Pakistan. He is a great man. Now, students, everyone knows who is the Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. He born in 25th December 1875. Again I repeat the date of birth, our national hero, 25th December 1876. He is a Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is a Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He is our national hero. And where he born? Anyone knows? He born in Karachi. And he get education in Karachi, and he go outside England from high education, study of law. And his song is, okay, his dressing are like a pant coat, wear tie, wear cap. He is a very great man. And his song is like this. This is his tomb. His tomb is also built in Karachi. Its color is white. This is a white marble building. And who made it? Yahya Merchant. Yahya Merchant is made a Quaid-e-Azam tomb. Okay, now let's come on topic. Our topic is National Day of Pakistan. What is our National Day of Pakistan? Our National Day of Pakistan, the Independence Day. And what's the date of Independence Day? This is on 14 August. 14 August is our Independence Day. Okay. Pakistan has been a separate country. That's why Quaid-e-Azam more efforts to become another country from Muslim, where Muslims live very freely, proudly to live their life. Okay. Now, I again repeat, another thing is the national flag of Pakistan. This is our national flag of Pakistan. It has a green and white color, a crescent and star. This is a crescent and star. This color is white and green. Okay students, you know what? White color what show? White color show is minority of Muslims, and green color is show majority of Muslims, and the crescent show peace, and the star is shows 5 pillars of Islam. We have a 5 pillars of Islam, so star shows 5 pillars of Islam. This is our national flag. This is our national flag. Now, students, I tell you about a name. Who decide the name of Pakistan? You know what? Who decide the name of Pakistan? The name decided of Pakistan is Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali is decide the name of Pakistan in 1933. And the national flag is designed by, this is our national flag, okay? And is designed by Sayyid Amir Uddin in 11th August 1947. Again I repeat, who designed the national flag? National flag designed by Sayyid Amir Uddin in 11th August 1947. Okay? Its color is white and green with a crescent and star. Okay? Students, now I tell you about a national anthem of Pakistan. What is our national anthem of Pakistan? Anyone knows? Our national anthem of Pakistan is Pak Sar Zameen Shad Bad. Ki Shar-e Azim Shad Bad. You know what? We sing in assembly. हम लोग assembly में sing करते थे ना? Now, who write the national anthem of Pakistan? Anyone knows? Pakistan national anthem write by Hafiz Jalandhari in 1952. Now students, I tell you about a capital of Pakistan. Anyone knows what is the capital of Pakistan? Pakistan capital is Islamabad. In 1947, Karachi is the capital of Pakistan, but in 1960 is shifted by Islamabad. And you know what? Islamabad is a very beautiful place. It's also built by a national masjid. This is a national mosque. Its name is Faisal Masjid. Its name is Faisal Masjid. It's built by very beautifully. Its color is also white. It's very beautiful place. This is a Faisal Masjid. Faisal Masjid built in Islamabad. Okay. Now students, I give you another thing of Pakistan. I have a map of Pakistan. Okay, this is a map of Pakistan. And how many provinces we have? We have a 4 provinces. Pakistan have a 4 provinces. First of all, I tell you Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and now Azad Kashmir is also include our map. Azad Kashmir is also include our map. And you know what? Punjab is very beautiful place. It's very beautifully things in Karachi, Pakistan. And another thing is Balochistan. Balochistan. And do you know Balochistan is the largest province of Pakistan? We have a 4 provinces. Balochistan, Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Okay? This is a map of Pakistan. Okay? Now students, I tell you about a language of Pakistan. You know what? What is our language? Our national language. What is our national language? Our national language is Urdu. We speak Urdu. हम उर्दू बोलते हैं like this. इस तरह से this is our national language. And English is our official language. Okay? Now, students, I telling you about our national thing of Pakistan. So listen to me carefully. I will question you in the last section. Okay? Now, Pakistan is a place where we live with freely, where we can do as with a freely. Wherever we go, we introduce ourselves as a Pakistani very proudly because Pakistan is our identity. इस देश हमारा हमको प्यारा, देश हमारा हमको प्यारा, हम सबकी आंखों का तारा, अपने देश पे हम कुर्बान, अपने देश पे हम कुर्बान, देश हमारा पाकिस्तान. Okay, students, now I tell you about another thing of Pakistan. You know what? What is our national dress of Pakistan? Our national dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. We wear shalwar kameez. You wear shalwar kameez. Everyone wears shalwar kameez. Okay? Now, I tell you about our national animal of Pakistan. You know what? Who is the national animal of Pakistan? Wow! This is our national animal of Pakistan. And anyone knows what is its name? Its name is markhor. Its name is markhor. It lives in mountain. It lives in mountain. Its color is brown and white. Sometimes black. Different type of color. It is like a goat, but its name is markhor. And you know what? Where it lives? Where it lives? In mountain. ये आपको पता है कहाँ रहते हैं? Mountain यानी पहाड़ों पे रहते हैं. Okay? इस कलर इज ब्राउन. ये गोट की यानी बकरों की तरह होता है लेकिन डिफरेंट होते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज नेम? मार्खोर. व्हाट इज नेम? मार्खोर. ओके, this is our national animal. Okay, now students, I tell you about another thing. This is our national bird. National bird. And what is its name? Its name is pastrix. Its Urdu name is chakor. Urdu name is chakor. Okay, its color is a grey. Its color is grey. This is a bird. It's flying in a sky. In the sky. Okay, ये आसमान में उड़ता है. ये एक bird है. It's national bird. Okay. Now I have another thing. It's so yummy. What is this? This is our national fruit. This is our national fruit. What is name? Its name is mango. What is name? Is mango. And you know what? Mango is also called a king of fruit. King of fruit. And its color is yellow. Its leaves color is green. What is this? This is our national fruit. Okay, now students. And you know what? What is our national color? Our national color is green because our flag color is green. Okay? Our national color is green. Now, I have another thing. What is this? This is our national vegetable. This is our national vegetable. This is a lady finger. इसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं भिंडी. उर्दू में हम इसे क्या कहते हैं? भिंडी. Its color also is green and it tastes so yummy. Now, what is our national flower? Our national flower is jasmine. Its color is white. It has a green leaf. Its smell is very beautiful. Its color is white. And you know what? इसको उर्दू में क्या बोलते हैं? चमेली. Its English name is jasmine and Urdu name is चमेली. Its smell is very beautiful. वो बहुत अच्छी सी खुशबू होती है. Now, anyone knows who is our national poet? Who is our national poet? Pakistan national poet is Allama Iqbal. He is a great man. He thinks about making Pakistan, but He is a national poet. He writes many poetries about Pakistan, about Muslims, about children. And you know what? We sing in assembly. What do we read? We read, लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी. Who written by Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal is write by this dua. Okay, now come into another thing. You know what? What is our national mountain? What is mountain? Mountain is पहाड़. जो पहाड़ होते हैं उनको हम mountain कहते हैं. And you know what? What is our mountain? Our national mountain is K2. Our national mountain is K2. And you know what? K2 is the second highest mountain in the world. It's very beautiful mountain. You know what? It's so high. बहुत बड़ा है ये. It's covered by ice, snow. यानी बर्फ से पूरा कवर हुआ हुआ है. It's so beautiful. Now, I tell you about another important thing of Pakistan. You know what? What is our national game? Our national game is hockey. Our national game is hockey. And you know what? Pakistan is very successful in hockey. Pakistan बहुत successful है hockey में. And Pakistan won a 4-time World Cup championship. In 1971, 1978, 1982 and 1994. यानी 4 times World Cup championship हॉकी में पाकिस्तान ने हासिल की है. Hockey is the national game of Pakistan. Okay, hockey has a stick like this and one ball. Like this a stick and ball. इस तरह से हम इसके थ्रू प्ले करते हैं. Okay, students. Finally, Pakistan is a land of great resources. पाकिस्तान के बहुत सारे अच्छे great high resources मौजूद हैं. But Pakistan built a country from Muslims. Independence Day is the most important day of Pakistan. है जुर्म अगर अपनी मिट्टी की मोहब्बत से, है जुर्म अगर अपनी मिट्टी की मोहब्बत से, ये जुर्म सदा मेरी हिसाबों में रहेगा. Now, students, I ask some questions about Pakistan. Okay. First of all, I give you that information, so I relate a question. What is our national day? When Pakistan, okay, again I repeat, what is our national day? When we celebrate Independence Day. Who is the founder of Pakistan? What is the color of our national flag? Who writes the national anthem? Who is our national poet? What national game? How many provinces in Pakistan? Which is the capital of Islamabad? Again I repeat, which is the capital of Pakistan? This is our last question. These are questions and send me your answer on your voice note. I wait for your voice note, and if your answer is correct, then I give you a very good comments. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy this video. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.